When it comes to web hosting and domain registration, GoDaddy is one of the most recognized and established names in the industry, powering millions of websites worldwide and serving as a go-to solution for beginners, entrepreneurs, and even large businesses looking for a reliable online presence. Founded in 1997, GoDaddy has built a reputation around simplicity, accessibility, and a massive range of services that go far beyond just hosting, including domain registration, website builders, professional email, SSL certificates, digital marketing tools, and managed WordPress hosting. One of the biggest strengths of GoDaddy is its user-friendly approach, which makes it incredibly easy for beginners to purchase a domain, set up hosting, and launch a website within minutes, even without technical experience. The control panel is clean and intuitive, and their one-click WordPress installation allows users to get started quickly without dealing with complicated configurations. In terms of performance, GoDaddy offers solid uptime reliability backed by a 99.9% uptime guarantee, ensuring that websites remain accessible to visitors almost all the time, which is crucial for businesses that rely on online traffic and conversions. Their shared hosting plans are affordable for beginners, while VPS and dedicated server options provide scalable power for growing businesses that need higher performance and control. Another notable advantage is their global infrastructure and data centers, which help deliver stable loading speeds across different regions, although performance may vary depending on the selected plan. Security is also a key focus, with features like free SSL certificates on many plans, malware scanning, DDoS protection, and automated backups available as add-ons or included features depending on the package. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat and phone support, which is especially helpful for beginners who may need immediate assistance during website setup or troubleshooting. However, while GoDaddy offers competitive introductory pricing, users should carefully review renewal rates, as they can be significantly higher after the initial term, making it important to plan long-term budgeting accordingly. Additionally, some advanced features require additional purchases, which may increase the overall cost compared to competitors that bundle more features into their base plans. Despite this, GoDaddy remains a powerful all-in-one solution for individuals and businesses that want a trusted brand with a wide ecosystem of tools under one platform. Its strong brand authority, extensive product range, ease of use, and scalable hosting solutions make it a solid choice for anyone looking to establish or expand their online presence. Whether you are starting a personal blog, launching an e-commerce store, or building a corporate website, GoDaddy provides the flexibility and infrastructure to support different stages of growth, making it one of the most influential and accessible hosting providers in the global market today.